Pretty nice out there, and we are on the dry side. Here's a look at our current temperatures: 50s and 60s for the majority of us, but we are seeing a few 70s down in Alamogordo, Las Cruces, and Carlsbad. Winds not too bad, but a little bit breezy up in the northeast, and the winds are going to be turning stronger as we get you into the afternoon. I want to take you through our forecast models for the winds. Some of the strongest winds will be in our northern zone, so taking you through the day, you can see how much it really becomes more widespread. The shades of blue, that indicates where we'll have winds 20 to 30 miles an hour sustained. Could even get gusts up to 35 and 40 miles an hour at times for today. And into our Saturday, the winds continue and they actually increase. They become a little bit gustier for the start of our weekend. So with that, paired with our dry conditions, we definitely have the fire concern. So red flag warning up for today and tomorrow for the counties in the pink. We also have the fire weather watches that are already set up for our Saturday. So we could see that red flag warning extend a little bit more. Really just need some rainfall, a lot of rainfall moving in. Today we are going to have a chance for some scattered showers and storms. Some of the spots of green that you're seeing here, not necessarily reaching the ground, down to far, far southern New Mexico. These spots of green, we are seeing some of those reach the ground in the form of some light sprinkles. But through the day, look at superstorm track. Looks as though we're going to get a lot of rainfall. I really think a lot of this is going to be in the dry thunderstorm category. We start to take it through the remainder of the afternoon and evening and move it eastward. We'll see a lot more of this actually reaching the ground. So as we talk about where we'll see dry storms versus wet storms, our best chance for wet storms is going to be our eastern plains. Could even see some strong to severe thunderstorms in this location, so do keep that in mind. In our western locations, may not get some of that moisture, which we really do need. And unfortunately, we could get the dry thunderstorms, which means we could get the lightning. We could also get the thunderstorm gusts that kick up some of the dust for us. So we're going to keep an eye on that. But as we talk about the severity of the storms for our eastern plains, this really extends into parts of West Texas as well. We're going to be looking for the possibility of hail and high winds in these thunderstorms that do develop this afternoon. So Mark Ronchetti will walk you through any strong to severe storms we get later today. But then looking ahead into the weekend, our rainstorm chance starts to creep eastward. Still, our eastern plains will have a really good chance for the rain and storms. Most of us will see plenty of sunshine, and that will continue for Sunday as well. So 80s and 90s today, turning windy, turning the corner with a chance for rain and storms, but will stay dry in parts of southern Colorado today with the mid and upper 80s. Winds breezy southwest 10 to 20 miles an hour, gusting up about 30 miles an hour into the north and west. Windy with lots of sunshine, a southwest wind 20 to 30 miles an hour, gusting at around 40 miles an hour. Again, mainly dry skies. Could see a dry thunderstorm. That is the case as well down into the south and west. As the temperatures climb a little bit more, we will see those mid and upper 90s. Then in parts of the south and east, we'll have the 80s and 90s with isolated storms possible. Winds south 15 to 25 miles an hour, gusting at 35, and temperatures back in the triple digits by tomorrow. Into the north and east, scattered showers and storms. Southwest wind 15 to 25 miles an hour, gusting at about 35. Could see some severe storms with some isolated hail, some high thunderstorm wind gusts as well. Then into the northern mountains, a few storms possible with the breezy skies. Most of us in the 70s and 80s with drier conditions tomorrow and Sunday. Into the east mountains today, partly cloudy skies, isolated storms. We'll climb into the mid 80s today, upper 80s into the metro area, and a few 90s, Los Lunas and Belen, 90 and 91 degrees with partly cloudy skies. And we'll track the chance for a spot storm. And I know yesterday we were talking about the chance for actually getting some moisture. We said not a washout, but one or two spots of wet weather will be possible here in the metro area, and that still holds true for today. So that's the good news. Okay. Unfortunately, though, it is going to be very windy today, and the winds continue this weekend.
Stormy.